Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website which is Gigabyte. Any device require the driver you can find and install, download and install. Send in, then in you can see this is right hand side. This is search button. Just click it and then enter your model number which is required. Then in search hit me with the best key and then type Z790 Wi-Fi, then hit enter. Then click on product Z790 Wi-Fi. Then click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10. Both installations process same, so you select any. VGA driver. Just click to download. You can see it start downloading. Wait few seconds. So that is this is installed, and just double click to exe. Then click to yes for require the administrator rights. Then click on yes. So now this is installing, so it will close means this is installed. And then close means this is installed.